Hello, in this video I want to show you how to update drivers for your Razer Viper V2 Pro. And to do this you will need to get Razer Synapse app. Right here, open the app and you should see a mouse. If there's firmware update available right under it, that means you need to update, and then simply click on this pop-up. It will open a website and here download this link. Also, before you start, if you're using a laptop, ensure that it's plugged into a wall outlet. Do not let it run battery alone. Next is save any open documents on your computer, close all of the programs and download the latest firmware. And here's the instructions of the process, but I'm gonna guide you through it anyway. So we're clicking on this link, it will download, then we can open it. Here, click on next. We need to connect this wireless dongle to our PC, which you should get with a mouse. Also, I would make sure that the mouse is connected with a cable. Now let's click on update, and here don't power off your device or unplug anything. Wait till update is finished. When update is successful, move to the next step. Here, switch the mouse off, connect the mouse to your PC with supplied USB cable for the update. So let's turn it off, I guess, by holding the button for 3 seconds. And this LED lamp right here should turn off as well. Okay, let's proceed. Connect the mouse to your PC with the supplied USB cable. I have it connected, obviously. Let's update. When the update is successful, move to the next step, and here everything is done. You can close, and I would restart my PC, but not gonna do it right now. But from here everything should be working fine. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.